Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Thursday, the 24th day of April. Here we go. Now, today we're going to teach you the laws about saying V'sein beracha. Since the first day of Pesach, that's when we changed over our status from no longer saying V'sein tal u'matoli bracha, because officially the rainy season has ended in Israel, and we now start saying V'sein beracha. If you forget to say the right addition at that point in your Shemona Esrei, it also has the same status as the Mashiv Haruach stuff we've been telling you the last 2 or 3 days. You must repeat Shemona Esrei if you do the wrong thing. And again, for the first 90 to 101 Shemona Esreis, depending on which opinion you follow, somewhere in there, for about the next 30 days, we assume that if you don't remember what you did and you just davened by rote, which you should never do, but if you did, then you probably did your old habit and you probably did the wrong thing, and you probably need to repeat your Shemona. You do need to repeat your Shemona Esrei. Now, so, of course, try to switch over your habit, as we discussed the other day, to make it now the right way. But here's the thing. Let's say you remember that, like just a few words later, you remember that I said V'sein talamat racha instead of V'sein beracha. If you're still in the middle of that paragraph, you can go back to the right place where you're supposed to be and say the right thing. If you already said the bracha Baruch atah Hashem avarech hashanim, it's too late to put it in there, but you don't have to repeat Shemona Esrei yet, because here's the big point of today's law. You can still insert it in the bracha of Shema Kolenu. Just before you wrap up the bracha of Shema Kolenu, when you get to the words Ki atah shamei tfilas, etc., etc., right there, right before Ki atah, you can insert things that you want to ask for. You can ask for someone to be healed, you can ask for someone to find a shidduch, or things like that. And you can also insert forgotten things that you forgot to say earlier in Shemona Esrei, like V'sein beracha, and you can insert it right there. You would say at that point, V'sein beracha al panei ha'adama. You cannot do that, by the way, for Mashiv Haruach, and that's because Mashiv Haruach is not a request. It doesn't belong in that part of Shemona Esrei. It was a statement of God's strength that had to be done back near the beginning of Shemona Esrei. So you only use this correction, today's law, for V'sein beracha corrections, not for Mashiv Haruach corrections. Thanks for logging on, and log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.